A Chinese AI that nobody's heard of just made a price prediction for XRP that has the entire crypto community losing their minds. And here's the kicker. This AI has been eerily accurate on other predictions this year. So what did it say about XRP by the end of 2026? Let's break this down because this is way bigger than just another random price prediction. An AI system called KIMI, developed by a Chinese tech company, just analyzed XRP's potential and dropped a number that sounds almost too good to be true. But before we get to that number, you need to understand why this particular prediction matters more than the thousands of other crypto predictions floating around the internet. KIMI isn't your average chatbot. This thing processes real-time financial data, court documents, regulatory filings, and global banking partnerships. It's not guessing based on hype. It's calculating based on actual institutional adoption patterns. And what it's seeing with XRP is something most retail investors are completely missing right now. Here's what you need to know. XRP isn't just another cryptocurrency hoping to moon someday. It's part of something called ISO 20022. Now I know that sounds like boring banking jargon, but stay with me because this affects your money whether you own crypto or not. ISO 20022 is basically a new global language for banks to talk to each other. Think of it like this. Right now, when you send money internationally, it's like sending a letter through 5 different post offices that all speak different languages. It's slow, expensive, and things get lost in translation. ISO 20022 is like giving all those post offices the same language and a direct highway between them. XRP is one of the cryptocurrencies built specifically to work with this new system. That's why banks are actually testing it and using it, unlike most cryptos that are just speculation. We're talking about real banks moving real money using this technology right now. So what did KIMI predict? The AI analyzed XRP's current legal victories. It's expanding partnerships with banks across Asia and the Middle East, and the accelerating adoption of ISO 20022 compliance systems. Its prediction? XRP could hit between $8 and $12 by the end of 2026. Now I know what you're thinking. That sounds insane. XRP is trading around 50 cents right now. That would be a 1,600% gain. But here's why KIMI's calculation isn't as crazy as it sounds. The AI identified 3 major catalysts. First, Ripple's legal clarity in the United States is basically done. That dark cloud is lifting. Second, over 200 financial institutions are already testing or using Ripple's technology. That's not hype, that's documented reality. Third, and this is the big one, the global banking system is actively switching to ISO 20022 standards right now. When banks need to move money fast and cheap using these new standards, they need bridges between different currencies and systems. XRP was literally designed to be that bridge. It's like owning the toll roads right before everyone starts driving on a new highway system. But let's be real for a second. Not every AI prediction comes true. KIMI might be sophisticated, but it can't predict black swan events, regulatory surprises, or market crashes. What it can do is analyze patterns that human emotions often miss. Here's what to watch for in 2025. First, pay attention to major banks announcing ISO 20022 integration timelines. When they do, look at which cryptocurrencies they mention. Second, watch for Ripple partnership announcements, especially from Asian and Middle Eastern banks. That's where the real adoption is exploding right now. Third, track XRP's price action around major banking conferences and regulatory announcements. The bigger picture here isn't just about XRP. It's about understanding that crypto is splitting into 2 worlds. You've got speculative meme coins and NFTs on one side. And on the other side, you've got institutional-grade cryptocurrencies that are literally being woven into the global banking system. Those are 2 completely different investments with completely different risk profiles. Whether KIMI's prediction hits $8 or $12 or something totally different, the trend is clear. The banking system is upgrading, and certain cryptocurrencies are positioned to benefit massively from that upgrade. This is educational content only, not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. AI predictions are tools for analysis, not guarantees. Follow Stack Daily 60 for daily crypto and money tips.